Here's a really quick video. I wasn't even gonna make it, but I did a little mod last night and I put it on Facebook, and someone requested me to show them what I did. And right now you can't, well, you can kind of see. Look along here. You see the LED strip going under the entire perimeter of, actually this one looks like it can be tucked a little bit more, but here, that gives you an idea of where it is. So they want to know how I did it, because everything says to splice and everything, blah blah blah, and you don't really have to do that. Pop this off. Try to do this without ruining everything, but here we go. Popped off. So we're working in reverse. What you gotta do is, right here there's these wires that go to that light right there, that's stock. Peel this back, and I'll link below, but the manufacturer or the provider of this LED strip, which is totally trimmable and everything, really cool. I actually trimmed it right here to meet this one. As you can see, trimmed right there, so it matches perfectly. It was a little bit longer up here, so trimmed. It comes with this connection, and what I did is this goes to the LEDs, positive, negative, and then this hooks to the positive, negative there. So what you do is you hook it in, and this splices it, and yellow on bottom, gray on top, and then the purple wire doesn't need to go anywhere, and works perfectly. So literally that's all there is to it. You tuck this in. It's not even on there with anything. You tuck it in, it stays put. So far so good. And when you're done, you just put it back. One-handed put back. Is it working? Boom. All set. And at night you'll have a LED lit up Frunk. And you can't see it right now too good. You still see it, but not too well because it's daytime. But wait 1 second, it'll become nighttime.